Hi, how would you like to start funneling targeted traffic to your internet business and get top search engine rankings? While spending only a few minutes per day, click the link below to get instant access. Are you tired of hearing about SEO, but you haven't been able to successfully reap the rewards? Do you want to increase your targeted traffic quickly? Do you want to get top search engine rankings and kick your competition's butt? If you answered yes to any of these, then you'll want to continue watching this video. Dear internet marketers, you've heard everyone talk about how easy article marketing is, but you just don't know where to start. You've even probably read about it, but you want someone to take you by the hand and how do it step by step. Well, now you can. Just click the link to get instant access. Introducing Article Marketing for Newbies video series. In this video series, 6 videos with step-by-step instruction, you will learn what you need to get started, how to take dull and boring private label articles and make them so exciting that you stand out. It doesn't matter if you didn't take writing classes. What matters is you have the drive to succeed. Ready for more? You'll also learn quick tips to finding profitable affiliate programs that you can promote along with your articles. Whether you want to build your list, promote your own product or service, or promote someone else's product, then this video series is a must-see for you. Are you really serious about taking control of increasing your targeted traffic with article marketing? In this video series, you'll learn the shortcuts you need to get your articles to start driving traffic to your website. The videos are straight to the point because who wants long videos that go on and end up wasting your time? Seriously? Here is what you'll learn from these 6 videos in detail. In video 1 you will learn how to get started. What is article marketing? In video 2 you will learn what are the tools you need before you get started. In video 3 you will learn how to rewrite PLR articles. In video 4 you will learn how to find profitable affiliate programs to promote. In video 5 you will learn how to creating a resource box. In video 6 you will learn how to market your articles. Grab your copy of this Article Marketing for Newbies video series today before your competitors do. I'm so confident that you will be happy with your purchase that you get my 100% money back guarantee. If you don't like the videos and you think it just stinks, I will send you your money back in full and without delay. All I ask is that you spend 30 days trying out this marketing method. And who cares if it's 3 a.m. on my end of the world. You can access these videos immediately after your purchase. There's simply no waiting. To your success, do it for yourself. Please don't put this off. If you're serious about building your traffic and beating your competitors with article marketing, you'll feel the results almost immediately. I urge you to take action today while it's fresh in your mind. Don't wait and regret it later when your competitors are beating you to it. Instead, click the link below to get instant access.